guys, what's up? We're gonna be doing a POV night street photography video, which is super cool here in London. And look, they have all of the Christmas lights on. Yeah, let's see if we can get some strangers too. What about these two lovebirds? Need to get a cab in there, you guys. In a bus. Yes, street photography on. This girl just chilling on the bus. I'm really trying to get a driver as well.
Oh really?
Yeah. Oh, could you hold this against the side of the cab?
Yeah.
Yeah. Boom. Guys, ¿te puedo sacar una también? Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de la gente en la calle.
Sí.
Si quieres una foto. ¿Sí?
Lo he visto en TikTok, tío,
Sí.
Escúchame, que me va a grabar. Que
Yes.
¿Qué tengo que hacer? Yo no sé posar, ¿eh?
Mira, como antes. Sí.
¿Como antes?
Sí.
Pero también
Siempre me dicen...
dame tu móvil y me la pasas.
Claro, claro.
Venga. Sí, que esto yo lo he visto en TikTok.
Perfect. Stay there. Nice, nice, nice.
No me crees. No me sales que no sé posar.
No, they look great, they look great.
Okay.
Just stand over here. This one, can I get maybe one hand on your hip like this? Perfect. Looking at me? Perfect. Así.
I'm sorry.
Very good.
Espérate, que no me sale.
Son chulas. Yeah. See?
Son muy bonitas.
Girl, see?
Venga, ponte seria.
Yeah.
Yes.
Give me this side here. Yeah. Perfect. Can I get one leg in front like this? One leg and this hand maybe coming in. Yeah. Okay, look at me. Me mires. One more, one more.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
¿Te gustan?
Sí, mira.
Wow, pásame tu móvil.
Yes. Oh, look at this one.
Yes. ¿Estás grabando? Yo me la voy a poner en el pecho.
Picture. No, really, I love it.
Son chulas, ¿no? These ones.
¿Hay
Sí.
el móvil? No, yo.
Ah, wow,
¿Te gustan?
amazing.
¿Me puedes hacer tu móvil?
Yes. Guys, ¿quieres una también? ¿Juntas?
Una de las tres.
¿No? Sí.
I'm so done with. I got tons of soul.
Sadie with the bus, ¿Me mires? Yeah, mírame.
I
Yeah.
got tons of soul.
Una más. Boom, está chula, man.
Muchísimas gracias. Salgo yo siempre, ponte tu
Wow.
móvil.
Voila.
Thank you so much.
All good?
Yes.
Hey guys, do you want to have a photo together?
Yeah.
It's for my YouTube channel. And I'll send you guys the photo too.
Okay.
Yes, beautiful. Nice. Yes, love it. Can you do that again? Go for the kiss. Yeah. And one more just looking at each other. Perfect, say that. One more, like that. Okay, check these out. Oh wait, this memory card is just having not a good night. But
These are nice.
yeah.
That one's cute.
This one, no?
Yeah. Oh, you're really good at what you do, bro.
Thanks, look at this one.
Yeah, I
That's
like
super
it.
nice. No worries, I actually got one with you guys when you were just standing there, look. Let's see if it will show me.
Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let's think.
Yeah. And just stay together, guys. Stay together. Yeah. And I'll send these to you guys after as well. It's just thinking, so.
Thank you.
But they look cool.
Yeah, that one. We all follow you.
Cool, so I'll send them to you guys.
Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, have a good night.